Have you ever wondered what would happen if you ate beets every day for a week? Yes, those vibrant red root vegetables that are often overlooked in the produce aisle. Beets, with their sweet, earthy flavor, pack a big punch when it comes to their nutritional profile. They're chock full of essential vitamins like A, C, and B6, not to mention they're a great source of iron, magnesium, potassium, and dietary fiber. And let's not forget the antioxidants they bring to the table, which are known for their health-boosting properties. But what happens when you incorporate beets into your daily diet for a full week? How does your body react to this increased intake of vital nutrients and antioxidants? Well, we're about to find out. We're setting the stage for a week-long experiment of daily beet consumption, exploring the effects these power-packed vegetables can have on your health. Let's dive into the daily effects of this beetroot experiment, shall we? On the first 2 days, you might not notice much of a difference. As you introduce beetroot into your daily diet, your body needs a bit of time to adjust to this new nutrient-rich addition. You might experience some slight changes in your digestive system, which is entirely normal. Beets are packed with beta-cyanin, the pigment that gives them their vibrant color. This pigment is so powerful that it can actually pass through your system and change the color of your bowel movements or urine. This phenomenon, known as bacteria, might startle you at first, but rest assured, it's a completely harmless effect of eating beets. Bear in mind, everyone's body reacts differently. Some might notice these changes right away, while others may not see any noticeable differences for a few days. What's important is to remember that these changes are a sign your body is processing the beetroot and all its beneficial nutrients. But don't be alarmed, your body is just adjusting to the new diet. By days 3 and 4, you might start to notice some positive changes. The humble beetroot, with its vibrant hue and earthy taste, begins to unveil its powerful effects. Increased energy levels could be the first noticeable change. You might find yourself breezing through your day feeling less fatigued than usual. This is all thanks to the high carbohydrate content in beets, providing your body with natural, sustained energy. Improved digestion might also be on the cards. The dietary fiber in beets helps regulate your digestive system, ensuring things run smoothly. So don't be surprised if you notice a more well-balanced gut. But here's the real showstopper: enhanced athletic performance. The natural nitrates in beets improve blood flow, potentially boosting your stamina and endurance. Whether you're a gym junkie or simply enjoy a leisurely walk, you might find your performance stepping up a notch. It seems the beetroot is starting to show its true colors. As the week wraps up, the benefits of eating beets daily become more pronounced. By now, you may be noticing a healthy glow to your skin. This is due to the high levels of vitamin C and beta-carotene in beets, which work together to promote optimum skin health. Your immune system, too, may be enjoying a boost. Beets are rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that help to strengthen your body's natural defenses. You might even be shedding a few pounds thanks to the fiber content of beets that promotes satiety and aids in weight management. But the benefits don't stop there. Beets are a heart-friendly food, packed with nitrates that help to lower blood pressure and improve overall cardiovascular health. As the days go by, you might find your heart beating a little easier, your blood flowing a little smoother. So, eating beets every day for a week? It might just be worth giving it a shot. In summary, the humble beetroot packs a powerful punch. Throughout our experiment, we've seen how daily beet consumption can lead to noticeable changes, from improved digestion to enhanced stamina. Beets, with their rich array of vitamins and minerals, truly have an impressive effect on our health. They're not just a tasty addition to your meal, but a potential game changer in your wellness journey. So if you're looking to boost your health, why not give this beetroot experiment a try?